No snoring, no dangerous interruption of breathing thanks to Asate. There's a new therapy method for people who snore and suffer from apnea. A specially developed medical wind instrument allows men and women to sleep quietly again. Simple in usage, convincing in effect, and successfully tested by Zürich University Hospital and the high-altitude clinic involved. Playing the medical instrument made of lucite has a direct effect on the upper respiratory system. The vibration of the Asate technique softly massages and strengthens the muscles and connective tissues of the throat and larynx. Asate is the first company to have this alternative method tested scientifically. The Asate method has been scientifically proven. We, from Asate, are the only ones to offer this unique therapy for snorers and people suffering from apnea. There's the auto-training method for snorers, easily done at home. Sleep apnea patients attend seminars or use the online system. Asate therapy by computer, a worldwide novelty in medicine.
I was a snorer and also had some severe apneas. From the moment I used this both easy and fascinating method, I do feel much better. My wife and also me are delighted from Asate.